The train was moving. Ethan was running fast. His shoes were wet. His heart was loud. "Sofia!" he shouted. But the doors were closing. Inside the train, Sofia sat near the window. She looked down. She did not look back. Ethan ran faster, but the train was faster. He reached the platform. The train was leaving. He stopped. He was too late. Ethan looked at the train. He saw Sofia's face. She was sad. She was alone. The train went away. Ethan stood there. He held the ring. He felt the pain. He thought about everything. The missed calls, the rain, the excuses. The platform was empty. The train was gone. Ethan was alone. He lost her. This is the end. Or is it? The story goes back to the beginning. In my hand, there was a ring. It was small and silver. I bought it weeks ago. I planned to give it to Sofia. I wanted to ask her one important question. Not goodbye. Not sorry. Will you stay? That was my question. I wanted her to stay. I wanted her forever. But now it was late. The train was moving. I ran with the ring. I held it tight. I remembered the day. I chose the ring. I smiled thinking of her. I imagined her, yes, but I waited too long. I said later many times. Later never came. Fear stopped me. The ring felt heavy. It was full of hope. Now it was full of pain. I closed my hand. I cried on the platform. The train disappeared. I lost my chance. I lost Sofia. The ring was beautiful, but useless now. I kept it in my pocket. I felt the regret. This is my story. I failed her. I failed myself. But I still had the ring. Sofia was not angry. She was tired. For months, I said. Not now. Later. Soon. But soon never came. Sofia waited long. She loved me. But love needs courage. I had no courage. I had only words. Sofia felt alone, even with me. She needed more. She needed action. One day she decided. She packed her bag. She bought a ticket. She went to the station. She waited 1 hour. She hoped I would come. I did not come. She felt the end. The train arrived. Sofia got on. She looked back. I was not there. She closed her eyes. She felt the pain. She felt the loss. She said goodbye. The train moved. Sofia cried quietly. She left everything, because I never came. In her bag, Sofia had a letter. She wrote it last night. She left it for me. The letter said simple words. If you come to the station, I will stay with you. She waited for me. She waited 1 hour. She looked at the door. She hoped I would run. She hoped I would come, but I did not come. Sofia cried quietly. She felt the pain. She felt the loss. She put the letter away. She got on the train. The train started moving. Sofia looked outside. She saw the platform. I was not there. She felt alone. The train moved on. The letter was hope, but hope died fast. Sofia closed her eyes. She said goodbye. The train went far. Sofia sat alone. She thought about me. She thought about us. She touched the letter. She remembered her words. She remembered her love. She remembered the end. This letter was everything. It was her last hope. I never read it. I never came. I looked at my phone. 10 missed calls, all from Sofia. My heart stopped. I saw the time. I was late. Traffic was bad. Rain was strong. I ran to the station. I hoped she waited. I hoped she stayed. I hoped it was not late. But the station was empty. The train was gone. I felt cold. I felt the mistake. I called Sofia. Her phone was off. I left a message. I am here now. But it was too late. She could not hear. She was on the train. She was far away. I sat on the ground. I cried alone. I lost her. Because of excuses. The rain kept falling. My clothes were wet. My hope was gone. My world was dark. I looked at the tracks. The train was far. I thought about Sofia. I thought about us. This was my fault. I waited too long. I made excuses. I lost everything. The train slowed down. Next stop, Riverdale. Sofia looked outside. Her eyes were full of tears. She touched the letter. She thought about me. Maybe he did not care. Maybe he forgot. The doors opened. People got off. Sofia stayed inside. She did not move. She looked at her ring. She remembered the day. I gave it to her. She felt sad now. The train started again. Sofia closed her eyes. She thought about home. She thought about me. She wanted to go back, but she could not. She made her choice. She left everything. The train moved fast. Sofia felt alone. She cried quietly. The journey continued. She looked at the window. The world went by. She felt the pain. She felt the end. The station disappeared. Sofia was far away. She had no more hope. She had only memories. Sofia's foot touched the platform floor. She could continue. New city, new life. Or she could wait. One more minute. She closed her eyes. She thought about me. She remembered my voice. She remembered my smile. She remembered my promises. They were all empty. She opened her eyes. She looked at the station. She saw no one. She felt the pain. She took one step, then another step. She walked away. She did not look back. The train left. Sofia stood alone. She felt free, but she felt broken. The decision was made. No more waiting, no more hope, only the future. She looked at the tracks. The train was far. She felt the wind. She felt the cold. She touched her bag. The letter was there. She did not open it. She did not need it. She walked to the exit. She left the station. She left the past. She started new. Sofia. She froze. She knew that voice. It was me. She turned slowly. I was there. I was breathing hard. I held the ring. Sofia looked at me. Her heart beat fast. She felt shock. She felt hope. I ran to her. I stopped in front. I looked in her eyes. I said, I am here. Sofia had tears. She said, you are late. I said, I know. I was afraid. I opened the box. The ring was there. I went on one knee. I asked the question. Sophia looked at the ring. She looked at me. She felt love. She felt fear. She remembered everything. The good days, the bad days, the promises. She took a breath. She felt the moment. She felt the choice. She felt the love. I was afraid, I said. Afraid to lose you. Afraid to change. I waited too long. Sophia listened. She felt my words. She felt my pain. She felt her pain. No more later, she said. No more almost. No more waiting. Only now. I nodded. I understood. I held her hand. I said, I love you. Sophia looked at me. She saw the truth. She saw the love. She saw the ring. She said yes. She took the ring. She put it on. She smiled with tears. We hugged tight. The train was gone. But we were together. This time on time. The moment was perfect. We felt alive. We felt whole. We felt love. The train left without her, but Sophia did not care. Because this time, I arrived. I arrived on time. I arrived with love. I arrived with courage. I arrived with the ring. Sophia looked at me. She saw my eyes. She saw my heart. She saw the truth. I held her. I said, I am sorry. I said, I love you. I said, marry me. Sophia said, yes. She kissed me. She felt happy. She felt complete. Sometimes 1 minute is enough. 1 minute can change everything forever. Love needs courage. Love needs action. Love needs now, not later. Sophia learned this. I learned this. We learned together. We started new. This time was different. This time was real. This time was love. This time was forever. Thank you for watching until the end. Did Ethan and Sophia's story touch your heart? Comment below. What would you do in their place? If this video helped your English, please like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting stories in simple English. Practice every day. Share this video with someone who needs it. Until the next story.